Hello, welcome to everyone. This is Devendra Veligandla from SharePointJourney.com. In this video, we're gonna learn how to update a list item using a Visual Studio Workflow 2013 in Office 365. So if you see the solution here, I have a project called Update List Item. In that, we have a list called Products. Okay, which is having few details. Let me log into my SharePoint Office 365 site. So once I log in, I can see the schema of the list. So I can see here I have product name, description and status. Now I have added a workflow here which is going to update the status of the product. So by default we will set the status to not started. Then as soon as I start the workflow, that will update it to draft. So how I can use a workflow activity which will update an item. So if you go to the toolbox and quickly search for update, so you get under SP list, you will have update list item activity, or I can go to do like manually and look for SP list, then go and select update list item activity and drag and drop to the sequence. So once I drag and drop to the sequence, I'll get a small bubble saying that we have to complete few fields. So right click on that, go to properties. So here the item ID will be for my current item where the workflow will be running, and the list ID will be the products list. And the list item properties dynamic value, this is where we're gonna set the status value. So here you could select all the properties of products list. I'm choosing the status column. So here you can see that status column is available, and I'm gonna set this one to draft. So whenever you run this workflow, the status column will be set to draft. So click save and press F5 to deploy it. So once you press F5, the app will get installed. Now you could see that the product list is available now. Okay, and let's add a new item. Let's see, product Z, and by default I'm setting it to not started. Now you see that the workflow is not started and the product Z is status is not started. So let's select the workflows here. The workflow is this one, update product, and just start the workflow. Okay, now just refresh it. Now you could see that the status is updated. So in this video we have seen how to use update list item activity to update an item. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye.